So one of the first challenges I found when using Mainstage was how to control concert level instruments or effects from settings at patch level, because natively they can't be saved at patch level. So for example, let's say I had a knob over here, and I've got a let's say I've got a concert level channel here. I can assign that knob to this concert channel, assign it to the volume, and that kind of works as you want. When you go to the patches, you might make a change to the concert level channel, but then you flip to another patch and you've still got the same setting because it's a concert level setting. So I wanted to find a workaround for this, and I found one. And the first thing you want to do, let's just delete this, but the first thing you want to do is go to Audio MIDI Setup here, and you want to go into your MIDI Studio IAC driver and create a new bus, which I've created here, and mine's called Mainstage Loopback. So you create a new bus pressing this plus icon just here. Anyway, so that's the first thing you want to do. So now you've got a bus which is dedicated for some kind of Mainstage Loopback MIDI processing stuff. Okay, back in Mainstage, on your layout, you want to drag a MIDI activity icon over here, and under MIDI ports, you want to select that bus you just created, Mainstage Loopback. Great. I'm just going to be using a single channel right now, and let's go for something channel 16 so that it's out of the way. Great. Let's create two controls. One of these is going to be a knob, and one of them is going to be a fader. So over in edit mode, let's say I've got this concert level instrument here that I want to control but at patch level. The way I can do that is first select the concert here, and then select your knob here, and you can map that directly to concert channel, let's say volume. And this is the thing, let's say we want to control this through our patch settings. Okay, that's cool. If we nip over to layout, what we want to do is tell that control, that knob, to respond to a MIDI signal. And we're going to say we want it to be the Mainstage Loopback IAC driver, let's say channel 16, and let's go, well, let's keep it at number 21 there. Do not pass through, do not send value. Great. Just keep those settings. And then if we go back to our edit screen, then we want to create an external instrument, and this is necessary. Let's go external MIDI, create. Here, external instrument is then here, and under the MIDI output part in the channel, you want to say Mainstage Loopback IAC driver. Let's just select channel 16. This one must be left over. Let's delete that. Okay. So you've got Mainstage Loopback driver, channel 16. Great. Under MIDI input, that's all fine. MIDI output, you can untick all of this stuff because it doesn't really matter. Great. So now if we come to the patch level, let's say here, and we go to this control here, we can go to center all, and we can go Mainstage Loopback, and we can tell it to use the control value that we used before, which is 21. Great. And so now when we move this, it's going to send a MIDI message to channel 21. Let's just double check, and it does. So you can check that it's sending messages because this is lighting up, so you're getting activity on that loopback MIDI bus, and this is going out to the MIDI bus, then it comes back in the MIDI bus and it updates this control, which then updates the volume to what you want. So it's a little bit hacky and everything, but it does actually work. And what this then means is, let's just delete this other patch I've got here. Delete. What it then means is that we can have two patches. Let's duplicate this patch. Each patch at a different kind of level for a concert thing. Save that. So this now means that if we have different values on our different patches, let's say this one's up here, and we save that patch, we go to this one down here, we save that patch with a different value, save, and when we skip between these patches, this value changes this global control. So you can store different values with different patches. And what you can also do is, because this value, this control here, you're not really using because you're just using this kind of patch level one, you can just shrink that down, make it tiny, and just stick it somewhere out of the way where you don't see it. And then when you get back here, you just don't need to think about it because you're only using your main control. Good. I hope that all helps. It's a bit of a hacky workaround, but it does seem to work. I don't know how reliable it is in kind of live usage, but let me know. Okay, I hope that helps. Cheers. Bye.